to get out though, that's the thing.
Why the fuck is there so many police officers, bro? If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy Dave. Welcome to another YouTube video. And as you can see by the title today, I don't even know what the title about to be, but we are at the last car meet with my scat pack. Because if you don't know, I'm selling it soon. By the last 2 videos that I'm gonna upload, I'm selling it soon. But y'all, I just uploaded 3 videos in a day. Well, no. I ain't upload 3 videos in a day, but I just recorded 3 videos in a day. So make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button. All I drop is bangers, man. Hit that like button. It supports me, man. I don't need no cash apps. I don't need no Zales. I don't need no nothing, bro. Nothing, man. I don't need no handouts at all. All I ask for is subs if I earn it, man. If I earned your sub this video, please sub. I think we going to this one spot. Guess these boys racing. They was just at a car meet, but I guess that somebody just called them out. I literally got there when they was leaving, but I just seen my homie at the light. He just told me that they going to this spot. Damn. I need to clean this, man. Clean the inside of my car. There's so many of us going to this little spot. Damn. The cops is literally right there. Alright, y'all, my fault. I had to stop recording. One of my guys just got pulled over. Alright, just had to stop recording. Maneuver. You know how that go. Man, it's already hot, bro. Indiana, this is always crazy, bro. Like, as soon as I looked in my rearview mirror, all I see is lights. I'm, damn, get the fuck out the way. Cause the thing is, bro, whoever lasts, that's your ass. Bro, that's a new saying. Whoever lasts, that's your ass, bro. That's why, like, me, I try to stay, like, the 4th car. Not even the 4th car, like the 3rd car. Have some motherfuckers in front of me and have motherfuckers in the back of me. My homie almost smacked him. Folks ain't want to get out the way. He almost smacked his head. Can't even remember who it was, but y'all probably seen it in the video if I was recording. He wasn't even on point. He ain't know what was going on. He on some, damn, why he just go in front of me like that? Then I flashed my lights. Then he probably realized when I flashed my lights, he probably looked back. Oh. Why the fuck is there so many police officers, bro? There's so many police officers over here, man. I don't feel comfortable. I do not feel comfortable, shorty. Low-key tired, y'all. I've been up since 7 a.m. running around. Cause I had to take my girl and her peoples to the airport today. So I just been running around, bro. been over here. These young boys probably be over here all the time. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all know when we there. It look like a freaking smoker's window. Like I be smoking. Y'all probably can't see everybody, but everybody is right there. I should have brought my cat out, bro. Tripping. Alright, let me show y'all the lineup real quick. We got 2 GTRs out here. Got a Supra over there. Got my Scat Pack. I really should have brought my kitty, but it is what it is, bro. 5.0. This is another 5.0. I think that both of them going against each other, this GTR and that 5.0. That 5.0 is souped up, though. This wide view look kind of bad when it's dark outside. Another 5.0. There's a lot of 5.0s out here. Supras. A lot.
How is he gonna get out though? That's the thing.
I'm already knowing.
Damn, bro,
try to record real quick, because I'm trying to drive at the same time.
You good?
Yeah, he low-key got him though.
I'll tell you, them ends be cheat codes when it comes to top end, bro. I don't know if you let off, man. I don't know, to be honest. It kind of look like you did. I don't know why you would though. Hell yeah. This cat's be heavy as
This
hell.
fucking 5.0 do it, bro.
You scared now? Bro, I'm gonna call Angel. I'm gonna tell us that run his ass back, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that shit kind of look a little iffy, gang.
Oh, no, that's a damn white.
Why does that
Fuck
keep
that
on going
5.0
straight?
going.
Bro, is it?
Bro, he tweaking me out, bro.
Bro, it's tweaking. Yo.
Damn.
No, no cap. posters on his head. Man, you making folks tweak what he on, bro? Bro, you making folks nervous. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Folks is almost crashed right now. Bro, folks is tweaking.
I'm trying to make sure that nobody can. That little light motherfucker fast.
Yes, bro. Y'all finna do another one? Bro. Just be smooth with this curve, though. Keep going straight. Just follow Angel.
What is this behind me?
I don't know, bro. A whole bunch of randoms in this bitch.
I don't know if I want to park back.
Overly busting in this bitch, though, bro. Yeah.
I never raced in this bitch, which is crazy, bro.
Merge.
Never. That yellow looks good. Boy, Maze. We finna wrap it up, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I'm on my way back to the crib right now. Hopefully this video turned out decent, cause man, this is my third video today and I'm tired as shit, y'all. I've been up since 7 a.m. today. Right now it's like 11 something. It's not like super late, but bro, I'm just so tired. I ain't even used to waking up that early. But man, hopefully this video turned out decent. And don't forget to hit that like button, y'all. That's all I'm gonna ask for this video. And if I deserve your sub, hit that sub button also. But y'all, I'm out of here. I'm super tired. It's been your boy Davo, and I'm out, y'all. Peace. Hold up. Before I go, man, I just want to say one thing. I appreciate everybody that been messing with me this past 6 months, man. My channel been just blowing like crazy. I know I say this a lot, but like I truly appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, because I'm literally nothing without y'all. I just wanted y'all to know that, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.
bro.